Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma. Major confusions among Feb Nqt 2021. Okay, so this video is made to clear confusions with respect to Feb Nqt, which is happening in 2021. Confusion number one. Sir, people are already selected. Can they again apply for Feb Nqt? No. Though in the last video we had told yes, because we spoke to one of the HR, he told yes. But right now we are receiving mails. I waited for 2 days, but now we have received mails from more than 10 people, and even we have sent them mail, and we have also received saying that once you have accepted the offer letter for Ninja role or digital role, you are not eligible to apply for Feb Nqt 2021. Update number one. Update number two, sir, I was rejected in October 2020 TCS NQT. So will I be able to apply again in Feb for TCS NQT? No, because when you got rejected, you would have got a rejection mail clearly stating that you are not eligible to apply for TCS for the next 6 months. Okay, but you are not eligible to apply for TCS through NQT, but you can take up the NQT. So you can take up the NQT, which is happening in Feb, score a very nice score. And based on your NQT marks, you can apply for various companies under their portal. Okay, this information again, we have got it in mailers. And number three, sir, is TCS NQT hiring engineering people in NQT Feb? No, it is not hiring for engineering people. TCS is hiring for BCA, BSc, BCS. BCA stands for Bachelor of Computer Education, sorry, Bachelor of Computer Application. BSc stands for Bachelor of Science, and BCS stands for Bachelor of Computer Science. So for these three branches, TCS NQT is happening. TCS will be recruiting through the NQT. Sir, then engineering people, are they eligible to take up NQT? Yes, you are eligible, but you're not eligible for TCS NQT, but you are eligible for NQT. Okay, so you can take up the NQT with your NQT score. You can apply to various companies under their platform. I hope the concept is clear, all of you. So these were the three major confusions. Confusion number one, can selected people again reapply? No, because when you have already accepted the offer letter from them that, I accept the offer and I am going to work with you, why would I again apply? Am I right? So you might tell for upgradation, sir, Ninja to digital, digital to innovation, that option is not there right now for you. That option you might get once when you join TCS in through internal hiring, that can happen, but right now it cannot happen. I have got mails about this. Number two, rejected people for TCS in October cannot apply for TCS again in Feb, but they can apply for other companies through their NQT score, which they score in Feb. Number three, TCS is not hiring through NQT for engineering people. It is hiring for BCA, BSc, and BCS students. Three confusions. I think I have made it very clear. Even I have a copy of it, which I would like to just show it to you. So here it is. Greetings from TCS. Trust you and your loved ones. All this is not required. Okay. NQT registrations are currently open. NQT is scheduled on 18th and 19th. Okay. Important. Please note, registrations are limited in number and on a first come first serve basis. Post NQT post NQT registration, students could be batched on any of the above dates for taking up NQT in ION centers. The centers will be conducted physically in ION test centers. To be considered for TCS selection process, candidate must register at the TCS Next Step portal. Okay. Based on your NQT scores, TCS eligibility criteria and TCS eligibility criteria, the shortlisting for the next round will be decided. TCS applicants who are toppers from NQT will be considered for TCS Ignite selection process. So like how we engineering people had from TCS Ninja to TCS Digital, these people have it to Ignite. Okay. Now eligibility criteria, full-time graduates from BSc, BCA, BCS 2020 year of passing out. Okay. Then they have given eligibility criteria. that is CGP of 5 or 50% throughout academics in 10th, 12th, BSc, BCA, BCS, computer science, IT, stats, chemistry, electronics, and maths, or BWOC. Then backlog criteria for 2021 pass out, one active backlog at the end at the time of appearing during the exam. Okay, but needs to be cleared within the stipulated time duration. Gap criteria, overall gap in academic career not to exceed 2 years. Okay, then they have told TCS would be doing eligibility checks at various stages of the selection process. If a student is found to be ineligible at any stage of the process, TCS reserves every right to not proceed with the candidature. Next, students from NIOS, standard 10th and 12th, can take up the test if they have a full-time graduation. Students should not have any extended education in their highest qualification. Which means what? If, sir, BCA I have done, but I have also done MCA. So can I apply? No, you'll not be able to apply. Okay, so this is with these were the criteria with respect to TCS NQT, not with respect to NQT, but NQT, everybody can take it up. Okay, so this was about the confusion. Now I talk about our training program, which will start from 25th of Jan. This 25th of Jan, we will be training not only for TCS NQT, we will be training for all companies. It will be a generalized program. Okay, why? Because I don't believe in training for only this company, that company. If the base is solid, no, we can build anything above it. Okay, so we will be focusing on training you on concepts, topics, modules which are commonly asked in all the companies. So we'll be covering all the topics which will cover all the companies. Okay, so that will start from 25th of Jan. Okay, and every day we will be training minimum for 4 hours. Minimum 4 hours. I can extend to 5 to 6 hours also. Timings are fixed. Morning 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock and evening 5:30 to 7:30. 6 to 8 in the morning will be aptitude, evening 5:30 to 7:30 will be technical. Okay, and later with respect to TCS, if we have to do revision classes, we will be taking from night 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock also. So minimum 4 hours a day, we can extend to 5 hours also every day. 100 plus hours of training where we will be covering quant, verbal, logical, analytical comes under aptitude. We will also be training you on technical, on C, C++, Java data structures. We will be training you on database management system. We'll also be training you on cloud computing. We'll be training you on operating systems, computer networks, all these stuff. Okay, for minimum 40 to 50 hours. After this, we will also be training you for 14 hours, 10 hours on interview training and 4 hours on group discussions. So put together, it is minimum 100 plus hours of live placement training program. And if we are doing revision classes, then you take it as 130 hours of training program live. Okay. Apart from this training program, sir, if I miss classes, will I get backup classes? Yes, every class which you miss or every class, there will be backup classes and you can access them for 1 whole year. Apart from this, we will also be providing you app access. Okay, you will be getting our app access for 1 year, and where you have chapter wise assessment, chapter wise practice, mock papers, company specific papers, interview videos, and everything with respect to interviews. Not only interviews, with respect to placements. Okay, and apart from this, you will also be getting one-on-one mock HR interviews. We will be inviting and they will take your interview for half an hour and personalized feedbacks will be provided so that you can improve yourself, and you can also watch the recorded of your interviews to introspect and get to know where you're going wrong. So 100 plus hours of live training, backup classes, one-on-one mock HR interview, 1 year app access, and then 1 year of recorded classes and assessments, revision classes, everything not even costing 1,000 rupees. Okay, it is less than 1,000 while others charge 5 to 10,000. We are not even charging 1,000. And also, before you join, you could check out our reviews on Google, on Play Store, and then join if you're interested. So this is about a training program. It is the, I would say, the lengthiest training program. It is the most affordable training program, and with respect to the quality, I won't talk, my students are talking about it. So Hope to see you at the training program, which starts from 25th of Jan. Okay. And 24th is the last day to register. The link for registration, we'll put it in the group description. I hope to have you all, because you never know which company will come next. So it is always better if we prepare right now in hand and be the best. So that even if they're selecting 100 students out of 10,000 students, I will be one among those 100 students. That should be the amount of preparation from us. Okay, so hope to see you all at the session. If not, I wish you all the best for your preparation. May the best happen to all of you. Take good care of yourselves. Keep smiling. Bye, people.